one of the most powerful cities on Earth. Today, we are power touring Washington, D.C. No traffic. Just straight to the history. Let's go! First stop, 1600 Pennsylvania Avenue, the White House. Home to every U.S. president since 1800. It's got 132 rooms, 35 bathrooms, and the iconic Oval Office. Next, the National Mall. Forget shopping. This is America's front yard. It's the stage for history's biggest protests, celebrations, and inaugurations. 2 miles of pure iconic status stretching from the Capitol to the Lincoln Memorial. This isn't just stone, it's a monument to equality. Those 36 massive columns represent the 36 states in the Union at the time of 1865. The Washington Monument at 555 feet. It was the tallest building in the world when it opened in 1884. That's a whole lot of marble. The U.S. Capitol, it's where the legislative magic happens. Did you know this place was set on fire during the War of 1812? It's been rising, expanding, and running the country ever since. Next stop is the Martin Luther King Jr. Memorial, the stone of hope carved right out of the mountain of despair. It's the first memorial on the mall dedicated to a person of color. Such an inspiring stop. And for the history nerds, next is the National Archives. Right inside is the original Declaration of Independence and the Constitution written in 1787. Yes, it's behind bulletproof glass for protection. Next, prepare to have your minds blown. Welcome to the Smithsonian. This isn't just a museum. It's the world's largest museum and research complex. 19 museums. From prehistoric T-Rex skeletons in natural history to literal space shuttles in air and space. This place is legendary, and guess what? It's completely free. Finally crossing the bridge to Arlington National Cemetery, over 400,000 American heroes rest here. From JFK's eternal flame to the tomb of the unknown soldier. It's a beautiful and humbling reminder of the cost of freedom. DC has got the history and power with so much more to explore. Don't forget to subscribe for more explorations. I'm blasting off and we'll see you in the next city.